In this video, we'll explore the world of RAM, which is an essential part of our electronic devices. We will explain what RAM is, how it works, and why it is so important in the world of modern technology. Part 1. The concept of random access memory. Random access memory, commonly known as RAM, is a type of memory that our electronic devices use to store temporary data and information that the processor needs while executing tasks. RAM is characterized by its high speed and ability to quickly access data, which makes it an essential part of our experience with computers and smart devices. Part 2. How does RAM work? RAM works by storing data in multiple chips that contain cells and switches. The processor can read and write data in these cells very quickly. When we open an application on our device, the required data is copied from the hard disk to the RAM, which leads to faster access to that data and a faster response. Part 3. The importance of RAM in our devices. RAM plays an essential role in improving the performance of devices. The more RAM, the greater the ability to run more complex applications and perform multiple tasks without affecting performance. When we surf the web, use editing applications, and play games, RAM plays a crucial role in improving the smoothness and speed of those operations. Part 4. Recommendations for increasing RAM performance. If you are looking for ways to improve the performance of your device, you can increase the amount of RAM. You can upgrade the memory by adding additional RAM modules to your device, which will increase its ability to handle many tasks and multiple applications. In conclusion, we cannot overlook the importance of RAM in making our experience with technology smoother and more efficient. If you want to boost your device's performance, increasing the amount of RAM might be the next step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting and useful content, and see you in another video.